Warmly welcome to summer camp. Don't get bored in summer. Enjoy summer with GLS. The Greenlands School presents the Summer Camp 2023-24. Learn with fun the summer holidays by joining our summer camp and enjoy your vacation. We will take you on 20 days exciting journey. Students from primary to class 7th. Beat the heat with these cool events like spoken English, basic abacus maths, basic computer applications, music and dancing, indoor games and outdoor games, drawing and art, and many more. So come and enjoy with us this summer. Thank you.